Welcome to the future of creativity and business. This is the AI360 Studio show, where vision meets innovation and AI powers your next big idea. Each week, we dive into the world of AI tools and strategies designed to help entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses win in the digital age. On the AI360 Studio show, we'll share real case studies, live demos, and insider tips to help you launch faster, create smarter, grow bigger, all with the power of AI, from turning your book into an audiobook, to designing jaw-dropping logos in seconds, to automating your research and marketing. This show is your all-access pass to the AI advantage. Don't just watch the AI revolution, be part of it. Join the AI 360 Founders Club, your backstage pass to exclusive tools, training, and insider perks. Subscribe now at ai360studio.com and never miss an episode of the AI 360 Studio show.